Today we start with the dictionary data type. Dictionary is a collection of many values. You know lists. Lists is ordered set of items, but dictionary having key value pairs. Consider a dictionary of my cat. We create the dictionary of my cat, okay, by using dictionary name my cat, and in flower bracket we have to give key value pairs. For example, key of cat, that is size. Key is a size and then value is fat. Next, this is first item. Another second item of the dictionary is color. See, when it is string, no? The key is string, correct? We have to give it in the single quote or double quote. Okay, color black. Next, another item, sound. Sound, one more key. Okay, it should be given in the single quote. Sound, after colon loud. Okay, see, between key and value there is colon. This is first item, this is second item, and this is third item of the dictionary my cat. Okay, how to access a particular item from the dictionary? You know that every item contains key. Now if you want to access item fat, correct? How to access? First you have to use dictionary name. Dictionary name is my cat. And what is the key of fat? That is size. The key should be given in square bracket. Okay, because it is string, you have to give key in the single quote. Okay, if you want to access item fat, you have to use key of fat. What is the key of fat? That is size. Okay, my cat, then key value is size. My cat is dictionary name. Okay, now you run. See, it's giving item fat. If you want to display item loud, you have to display by using its key. You know that the key of loud is sound. Okay, sound has to be given in a single quote. Okay, then run. See, key of loud is sound. This way you can access different items of the dictionary. Okay, now we go through other important topics of dictionary. Okay, for example, if you want to access some methods, if you want to use some methods with the dictionary, what are the methods of the dictionary? Keys, values, items method. Okay, we work with the keys, values and items method. First we see with the keys method. Now if you want to access all the keys of the dictionary, take a looping variable. Okay, for key or k, for k in, what's the dictionary name? Dictionary name is my cat, correct? And what you want to access from dictionary? You want to access keys from the dictionary. Therefore, for k in my cat dot keys, my cat dot keys, and then colon for looping. Okay, then if you want to print keys, print all the keys, print in bracket, what's the looping variable or looping index? That is key, k, correct? K na, print k. See, k iterates through all the keys and now you are going to print k, that is it prints keys. Okay, run. Okay, what's the problem here? Why it is showing the error? Why it is showing the error? Because here we have to give bracket. See, because keys is the method, we have to give it in the bracket. See, if you won't give in the bracket, it gives error. Okay, now run. See, what are the keys of the dictionary mycat. Color, sound, size. See, actually first key is size, next key is color, next key is sound. But how it displays the keys? First it displays the color, next it displays sound, next it displays size. Okay. Now, if you want to go through or iterate through all the values of the dictionary, okay, how to iterate through all the values of the dictionary? That is by using the looping statement. If there are hundreds of items, you should use loop, correct? If for k, instead of k, you use variable name or looping variable name as v. V in what? mycat dot values. Okay, mycat dot values. Okay. Now print v. V is a looping index, a looping variable. You want to print all the values of the dictionary mycat. mycat dot values. Okay, we iterate through all the values. Now you run this statement. It displays all the values. See, black, loud, fat. Okay. What's the first value? First value is actually fat, but first it is displaying the black, next displaying the loud, next it displaying the fat. Anyhow, all the values it displays. Okay. Now, next method of the dictionary is items. Okay. How items method works? We see how items method works by using the program. Okay. So, items contain both key and values. Items contain both key and values. Correct now? If you want to display all the keys and values, use once again for loop, and you want now two looping variables. First one is for key, another one is for value, k comma v. Then in what? In dictionary mycat. Okay, mycat, but here dot items method. Okay, because items contain both key and values. Now print both key and value. Okay, if you want to print k is the looping variable, plus if you want to give some colon or space, you can give space or colon in between key and value, and then the v for value. Okay, k and v, key and values in mycat dot items. Print k and v. Okay, value, and plus is a concatenation operator. You run. See, color is the key, black is the value, sound, loud, size, fat. Okay, like this you can display all the items, which is nothing but key and value pair. Okay, now we see with the one more method, that is get method. Okay, get method is to access a particular item by using the keys, key. For example, if you want to display print from which dictionary? From dictionary mycat dot, what's the method? Method is get, and then what's the key value? Key you have to mention. Key is a size, for example size. Okay, and then see, get method contain one more argument, that is second argument. It has to be given as 0. Why the second argument? Because if a particular key is not found, okay, then it will retrieve 0. Okay, it has to give 0. Okay, it should not display any error. It should give 0. Therefore, you are giving second argument as 0 in the get method. Okay. Now, if you run, see, you're giving fact like that. If you are giving color as the key, run, you're giving black. Okay. Next method of dictionary is default method. Okay, why default method is used? Set default method is used to set a default value to a particular item. For example, if you want to set a default value to color white, okay, if you want to set a default value to color as white, then you have to use set default method of the dictionary. Now, dictionary name is my cat, correct? Dictionary name is my cat. Okay, dot, what's the method name? Set default. Set default is the method name. Now, what is the key value? Key value is a color. Okay, key value is a color. And what default value you want to set to the color? That is white. White. Okay. See, value you are giving in the single quote. Here also single quote, here also single quote. Okay. Both, because both are string. Okay. Now, default value for color is set as white. Okay. Now, if you try to display same thing, key value pairs. Okay. Using the same for loop. Run the program. See. Now, what happened? You have set default value to the color as white, but it is displaying black. For what purpose is displaying the black value? Because color value you have set as white, correct? Okay, we will see this. Okay, we will see this why it is not displaying black color in the later session. Okay, now I'm going to stop this session. Okay, I will go to give the program for set default. I'm going to stop this session.